Namaskar. I am Dr. Vijay Mohan, a senior consultant physician and professor of internal medicine. You must have read recently in newspaper that this year's prestigious Nobel Prize was awarded to three scientists. Two are from the US and one is from Japan. These three great scientists have discovered new dimensions in the human immune system. As you all know, human immune system is the one system that prevents any infections or cancer that is coming into our body. So as you all know, we are all living in an atmosphere which is full of chemicals, thousands of chemicals, dust particles, viruses, bacteria and fungi. But our human body system is protecting from them time to time. Out of these, so many millions of, trillions of, pentillions of bacteria, virus, dust particles, fortunately only a few are harmful to human beings. And thankfully, we have a very strong immune system given by God, which prevents infection, time to time infection, attacking these foreign invaders and protecting us from getting any diseases. These three great scientists have discovered some new dimensions in this human immune system. The human immune system, as you all know, is a defense mechanism, time to time protecting us from the diseases. But this immune system, if you really go into the depth, we have different kinds of immune system that is present in the body, right from the tears to the saliva, to the mucous membrane, blood. These are all the components of immune system because of which we are living in a safe atmosphere in spite of so many unwanted foreign invaders are bombarding our body every minute, literally. So therefore, out of so many immune systems that we have in our body, our blood is a very good example of excellent protection from the diseases. Blood itself has an immune system different from others. So we have B cells and T cells in the blood. They are lymphocytes, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. These are the main, apart from macrophages, B cells, T cells, macrophages. These three are immune related cells that are present in our blood. They are protecting us time to time. So let us take B cells first. B cells are produced in the bone marrow. They are also matured in the bone marrow. Whereas T cells, they are also produced in the bone marrow, but they travel to thymus gland, which is here in the upper part of the chest. In the thymus gland, they get matured. And both of them, after the maturity, they are released into the bloodstream. And they are the soldiers, they are the warriors which keep killing every invader every second and minute. Whenever there is any defect in these function of these immune cells, we get diseases. For example, we have so many autoimmune diseases. When these immune cells, they are specialized in identifying the foreign invaders, bacteria, virus, etc. But sometimes, due to the mistaken identity, some of these protectors, so-called protector cells, they attack our own body cells in a mistaken identity. Therefore, we get diseases called autoimmune diseases. As I said, the blood has different cells for immunity, and these cells are time to time protecting us. But during the production of these, during the training session of these B cells and T cells, especially the T cells, sometimes some cells get disorganized. They overreact and they identify instead of identifying the enemies, they attack our own body cells, causing autoimmune diseases. Therefore, these three scientists have thrown a light on these mechanisms, how to prevent they called it a rogue cells. The good T cells are called T regulator cells or T-regs. And the bad guys in the T cells is called T-rogues. While training, both the bad and good trainees are developed, but this system that these three scientists have proven. So in the production of these T cells, we have regulator cells and rogue cells. Regulatory cells and rogue cells. Unfortunately, the rogue cells are enemies to our own natural body cells. And these three scientists have discovered a gene called FOXP3 gene. Whenever there is a defect in this gene, these T cells behave badly and attack our own body cells. So these people have identified the responsible gene and they named it as FOXP3 gene. So tomorrow, if further research happen in this area, and it's a major breakthrough in the human immune system, and we can develop some drugs which are specifically target these rogue cells, targeting these mutated gene called FOXP3 gene. And if in future, if the good medicines come, we can to greater extent prevent these autoimmune diseases. It's a major breakthrough in the history of humankind. So this kind of autoimmune diseases and even cancers also can be tackled better way when this new system is targeted through a new drugs. So till then, ladies and gentlemen, let us keep our fingers crossed and hopefully these results will be fruitful in futures and protecting the human lives in future. Thank you very much.